Asai, dankie Wian. Ek wil net om verskoning vra in Afrikaans asseblief. My stem is 'n bietjie weg. Ek sukkel nog om 'n verkouetjie af te skud. Maar ek sal nou my presentasie in Engels doen. So, this trial was to estimate Cape Rose susceptibility to scuff marks when harvested at different temperatures and maturities. So a little bit of a background. Scuff marks is a problem related to harvest and post-harvest handling of pears, and Cape Rose pears are known to be very sensitive to it. It's suggested that Cape Rose pears are more sensitive to scuff marks when they are harvested at a higher daytime temperature, but it's not yet been tested. So that leads us to the objective. It was fairly simple. We wanted to assess the impact of air temperature at the time of harvest, as well as harvest maturities on scuff mark susceptibility of Cape Rose pears. So looking at the methodology, we had 3 different harvest maturities. We had the early optimum, 1 week before commercial harvest, or above 7.8 kilogram firmness, and then we had the optimum commercial harvest between 7.2 and 6.8 firmness, and then the late optimum, which was below 6.8 firmness. So for each harvest maturity, we also had 4 different harvest times. We had early in the morning, below 27 degrees Celsius, early afternoon around 30 degrees Celsius, late afternoon above 33 degrees Celsius, and then we also had a packhouse simulation. So for each harvest time, we took average air temperature as well as fruit surface temperature, and then fruit were also induced to a scuff mark application, where a drill with a soft brush was used for 7 seconds on the side of the fruit. The pressure was mild to allow sufficient contact, but not to cause any bruising. All fruit were then subject to 8 weeks RO storage and a 7-day shelf life, where evaluations were done at harvest, after storage, and then after shelf life. So looking at the average air temperature started around 23 or 20 to 23 degrees in the morning, and then got up to about 33 degrees in the late afternoon. We wanted 36, but obviously we can't control the weather. The fruit surface temperature followed a similar trend. Sorry, just being slightly lower than your average air temperature. After cold storage, looking at the results. So 1 week before commercial harvest, which is on the green here on the left, fruit harvested early in the morning had significantly higher incidences of scuff marks when compared to fruit harvested late in the afternoon. However, this trend was only seen 1 week before commercial harvest and not in the next to harvest. We also saw that your more mature fruit 1 week after commercial harvest had significantly higher scuff marks when compared to the other harvests. Same year for after shelf life, with your 1 week before commercial harvest, when you harvest early in the morning, having more incidences of scuff marks when compared to later in the afternoon. And then again, your more mature fruit, higher incidences irrespective of your harvest time. So, bring it all to a conclusion, later optimum fruit, high risk of scuff mark incidences. You saw that your second and your third harvest had a lot more incidences, irrespective of if it was harvested in the morning or late afternoon. Then higher end temperatures seem to have no effect. Fruit harvested at around 33 degrees Celsius didn't have any significant increase in scuff marks compared to fruit harvested at lower temperatures. And then just to mention the early optimum maturity, for the ongoing trial next year, we want to push it a few weeks earlier, since the firmness was quite similar to the commercial harvest firmness. The only difference was a significant increase in color. So that's just to note for next year. Thank you.